Hello, my name is Mr. Momo. See, my name is Mr. Momo because I'm a cow. If you have not figured that one out, you're stupid if you have not. You see, I'm a Russian cow for a reason. I immigrated from Russia because I figured the grass here was better. Yes. No, I am not a puppet. I am a real cow, like Pinocchio. I am a real boy. But see, okay, sorry. That is the stupid chick behind me. Go to sleep, you stupid blonde.
Hey, we have a problem here, Mr. Penguin. I am not a stupid blonde. Oh, wait, you're a cow. Just go.
Just go, you stupid blonde. You do not deserve a life.
Did you tell me I don't deserve a life? Okay, Mr. Beefy, Mr. Moo.
You did not just call me Mr. Beefy. Oh, that's it.
Ah, Mr. Cow! He's like, he's killing me!
I killed that stupid beep. I can't say much on here. Anyway, so I'm introducing myself. I am Mr. Momo, not Mr. Beefy. And I guess that's all I have to say today. I will be back with future episodes. Come here, you stupid blonde.